Okay, so you'll need a black t-shirt, a variety of brushes of different sizes, an embroidery hoop, a dressmaker's pencil, or a white colour pencil that you know will wash off on fabric, and your fabric paint with the colours that you've chosen. So I've placed my embroidery hoop in the middle of my t-shirt, and this is the area that I'm going to draw in and then paint in. But what's important is to make sure that there's something in between both sides of the fabric so that the paint doesn't go through. I'm just going to use a bit of plastic. You could use a bit of cereal box cut up or cardboard, something that will block the paint from going through. Let me just show you what everything looks like. So here's my t-shirt. I've got part of the embroidery hoop on the outside and the larger part of it on the inside. And it's stretching the fabric, which makes it easier for me to draw on. Inside I have a piece of plastic, and that stops the paint from going onto the area I want the paint. It stops it from going through onto the other part of the t-shirt that I don't want paint on. So that's how it looks. Now I'm going to prepare my area and get my paints ready. Using my dressmaker's pencil, I'm now going to draw my design. So some of the really dark colours, like the dark blue and dark green, I add a little bit of white to them, and it just makes them stand out a bit more on the black t-shirt. As you can see, I've already done some of the green leaves. Now I'm going to work on some of this blue. So for my flower petals, I've decided to not add white to the paint. Usually when you add white, like I said earlier, it makes the colour stand out much quicker on the black fabric. But for the petals, I didn't really want that pastel colour that happens when you add white to it. So I'm building up layers on these petals. So I've got the yellow and red base layer. Once it's dry, I'm going to come again and add another layer of that yellow and red.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe. You can also find my artwork on Nash Henkel Art on Facebook and Instagram.